Ding dong. Doorbell. One day, Amy was feeling lonely, so she made a cake to cheer herself up. But ding dong, the doorbell rang. Tilly, come in, said Amy. Share my cake. But ding dong, the doorbell rang again. Reg, Horace! We are very hungry, said Reg. Something smells nice, said Horace. Share my cake, said Amy. But ding dong, the doorbell rang again. There were 1, 2, 3, 4 more rabbits. Cake, our favorite, they said. Come in, share my cake, said Amy. But ding dong. Don't answer it, said Reg. There really isn't enough cake for more rabbits, said Tilly. Oh dear, said Amy. She opened the door and... Mom! Grandma! Wow, lots of food! So Amy had a party. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rabbits. Amy wasn't lonely anymore. Ding dong, doorbell. She is Amy.